Hi everyone and welcome to Cooking with Ashlee. This week we're going to be taking a look at a product that makes weeknight cooking so simple. This is the new Chinese garden meal kits that brings Chinese takeaway to your own home. These kits have been around for a while. I've got reviews up on my website, but I wanted to show you just how simple it is to make them. We're going to be doing the beef and black bean because we're having it for dinner tonight. So let's talk about some of the ingredients. This pack does contain soy for major allergens, and it is made in a facility that processes peanuts, tree nuts, shellfish, and sesame seeds. They do have a wide variety, including some that you have to bake in the oven rather than using on a stove. This includes the sauce, the vegetables, and the beef. So I'm going to be pairing it with some rice noodles, which I'm just going to pop into some boiling water so that they're a little bit softer when we eat them. The new Chinese garden kits can be picked up from independent stockists. I'll leave a link to the new Chinese garden website down below so you can find your local. I pick them up from my IGA and they're usually about $14.95. You will need to defrost these. They are kept in the freezer aisle and you'll need to defrost them for 24 hours or keep them in some boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes so that they can defrost. So as mentioned, we have our beef, our sauce, and our vegetable packs in here. This will usually do dinner for Brody and I with a side of rice or noodles. So the packet suggests getting your wok extremely hot. I don't have a wok, but I am going to use my fry pan. And once it's extremely hot, we're going to add some oil. That's the only additive you will need. And then once you've added your oil, we're going to add in our beef so that we can brown it. Once you've oiled your pan, you're going to empty the beef packet in and stir until it is browned. Once your beef is browned, we're going to add the pack of vegetables and continue cooking and stirring for 1 to 2 minutes. What you want is just for the vegetables to be soft, and then we're going to shake our sauce packet before adding it. So we're going to stir this until the sauce thickens, and then I'm going to add in the rice noodles that I have had soaking over on the side there. If you were serving this with rice, you would obviously just steam your rice, place that in your bowl, and then put this on top. So this is just started to thicken, and I'm going to quickly drain my rice noodles before adding them to the pot. And then I'm going to stir that through as well. Once your sauce has thickened, and if you're using noodles, your noodles are soft and well cooked, it's time for plating. How simple, quick, and easy was that? And just like that, you have an easy and delicious gluten-free dinner. So don't forget to check out New Chinese Garden down in the description bar. As I said, they have a range of products including satay chicken, honey chicken, and many more. Don't forget, you can also check out this review and hundreds more over on my website, www.theaussieceliac.com.au. I'll see you next week with another Cooking with Ashlee.